Namaste everybody. Welcome to Udaya's classroom. In today's class, we are going to see the Accounting for Partnership Firms Fundamental Chapter Numerical Problem. Yes, the topic I have taken is Interest on Loan by the Partners. First, let's analyze the question thoroughly and then we'll work out the solution. Come, let's get started with the class. When the partner has advanced loan for the partnership firm as one of the partner, how to treat his loan and how to give interest for the partner's loan, that is what we are going to see in this sum. Let's analyze the sum first. Loan account sum it is. There are three partners, Alag, Bim and Sham. Are partners sharing profits and losses equally. So all these partners are sharing their profits and losses equally. Alag and Sham gave loans to the firm. Who has given loans? Alag and Sham. These two partners has advanced a loan to the firm. Okay. When they have advanced the loan? On 1st October 2019. How much it is? Rupees 1 lakh and rupees 1,50,000, which means Alag 1 lakh and Sham 1,50,000 respectively. It is agreed that interest at the rate of 9% per annum, which means the firm will be giving interest for these partners 9% per annum will be paid on loan. Books of account of the firm are closed on 31st March every year. So accounting year would be April to March obviously. Okay, so interest on loan is yet to be paid as on 31st March 2020. So from the firm, interest to be paid to the partner's loan. Okay. Pass journal entries in the books of account of the firm and prepare loan accounts of the two partners. So what we have to do now, we have to pass the journal entries for the loan amount what we have received as the firm, and for the interest amount we have to pass the journal entries, and also we have to prepare partners loan account. Only the partners, those who have advanced loan for the firm, which means Alag and Sham's loan account we need to prepare. Now let's do the journal entry. Date, particulars, LF, ledger folio, debit, credit, rupees pies, rupees pies. Journal books of Alag, Bim and Sham. Okay, first in the firm's account we need to pass the journal entry. So when the loan has been advanced, 1st October 2019. So let us write 2019 October 1, right? So October 1. So loan has been advanced to the firm, right? So the firm has received cash or bank, whatever it is. So through bank they would have received. So debit the bank account data to loan by Alag account to loan by Sham account. So we have given the journal for the loan amount what these partners has given to the firm. How much amount Alag has given? That is 1 lakh rupees. 1 lakh and Sham 1,50,000. So put together the firm has received 2,50,000 loan amount on 1st October. Now we need to write the narration. Being loan from partners Alag and Sham. So loan amount we have received and passed journal also. Now year end what we need to do? We have to give interest, right? So for that we need to pass journal entry. So 2019 to 20. Year end would be 2020, 31st March. So, March 31st. Interest on loan by partners. We have to debit the interest on loan by partners account, and then we need to credit to the partners account, right? So first we have to debit the interest on loan by partners account. Journal format you will be having in your book. You know the journal format already. Interest on loan by partners account, data to loan by alag account to loan by charm account we have written. Now we need to calculate the interest for alag and charm. How to calculate the interest? So how much amount alag has given? 1 lakh. What is the percentage of interest? 9%. So 9 by 100. When the loan amount has been given by the partner on 1st October. So October 2019 only they have advanced the loan. From the October we have to calculate. So since it is 1st October we will be considering October, November, December, Jan, Feb, March. So March end is the closing year. So 6 months. So 6 months only we have to pay the interest. Same way 1,50,000 for charm, 9% interest. Here also 6 by 12. So if you calculate, you will be getting the interest amount 4,500. And here also 6, 2, 0, 0 cancel. So 5. You will be getting 6,750. So this is what the interest amount. So the total amount to be debited. How much would be the total? 11,250 would be the total amount of interest on loan. Now what we have to do? We have to transfer this interest amount to profit and loss account, right? So same date, March 31st. We will be transferring to profit and loss account. Account debtor to interest on loan by partners account. Okay, how much to be debited? The same 11,250 to be debited, and interest on loan by partners account to be credited, because we have to give interest to the partners what we have received. Okay, so we here we have to write narration, right? So let me write here, being interest provided, something like that. Provided at the rate of 9%, you can write. I'm just closing. And here also narration, being interest on loan by partners account transferred to profit and loss account. So year end, when we close the profit and loss account, it is a charge against the profit because the firm has received a loan and the firm is paying interest for the loan what it has received, right? So ultimately it is a charge against the profit. It will reduce the profit of the firm. So that is the reason why we are debiting to the profit and loss account. So profit and loss account data to interest on loan by partners account we are crediting. So the journal entries we have passed now. Now what we have to do, we have to post into the ledger account of Alag and Sham. So this is the format also I have made it ready. Debtor, creditor, loan by Alag account, date, particulars, amount, rupees, price, everything is ready. Now we have to post. So where is Alag? Here Alag. Let's tick it off. By bank account. So what we have to write? We have to write the date 2019 October 31st by, not 31st, first it is, sorry, first only, right? So by bank account. How much it is? Alag has given only 1 lakh. If this is Alag's loan account, so 1 lakh only we have to write here. And next, where is Alag? The next journal here. So let's tick here. By 31st March by interest on loan by partners account. So let's write the date here. 2020 March 31st by interest on loan by partners account. How much it is? 4,500. So even though if we write interest on loan by partners account, we have to write only the Alag amount. Some people will be making mistakes. Students, when they post into the ledger, by mistake they will write this amount. So we need to be very careful here. Only the particular partner amount we have to write. So here we are going to write 4,500, right? And any other Alag account, that's all. Now we can close the account, both the sides. First we have to close by drawing a line. Let's total now. 504. So 1,04,500 and this side also 1,04,500. So what we have to write here? Here we have to balance 1,04,500 and this would be the balance. To balance carry down, and this would be the closing balance of 2020 March 31st year end. This is the closing balance and this balance would be the opening balance of the next financial year 2020 April 1 by balance brought down. How much it is? 1,04,500. Now we have completed Alag's loan account. Now we have to work out the Charm's loan account. The same way we need to post the ledger. Already I have opened for Charm also. Loan by Charm account. Debtor, creditor, date, particulars, amount, everything is ready. Now the same way we are going to post. Where is Charm? Here it's Charm. By bank account. Same way 2019 October 1 by bank account. How much is Charm's amount? 1,50,000. So we have to write 1,50,000. And next, where is Charm? Here. So this is also over. This is also over. If we tick it off by using pencil, small tick if we do, we will be having control like whether we have entered all the journals. I mean we have posted all the journals to ledger or not. We can check it up. So by interest on loan. Date we have to write 2020 March 31st by interest on loan by, I'm writing very short, partners account. How much it is? 6,750. Now we have to check whether any other charm account is pending or what. That's all. We don't have anything. So here also we can close. Straight to this. Yes. So the total would be 1,56,750. 1,56,750. The balance we can write to balance carry down the same way 2020 March 31st balance, closing balance it is. This would be the opening balance for the next year 2020 April 1 by balance brought down 1,56,750. So this is the balance, loan account balance of charm account. That's all. We have completed the journals as well as the both the partners loan account also. Having understood about the loan account and interest on loan account, we will end up the class today. I'll meet you in the next class. Till then, it's bye from Udaya.